Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael Johnson. I'm here to discuss the function of this Java package that we have called inheritance. What we're going to discuss here is the debugging of the geometric object class, which, as we see right here, is the superclass for this here, the circle class. As you can see here, that's the circle class. This is the geometric class. Now we're just going to move over to the circle tester, which is the main class for this Java package in Eclipse. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to double tap on line 9, just like I've done there. Then we're going to come right up here to the debugging button. That double tap was to indicate that that is where the break is inside this Java package. So now we're just going to come over here to the step over button. No, not the step over button. Sorry, my bad, guys. The step into button. We're going to keep stepping into the program to see which each line does in the main class. So we're going to start. As we start with the first line, see how that's the breakpoint. Doesn't display anything at the moment. Okay, we're going to go and we're going to see that this is what the first line gave us, line number 9, which reference to the circle method, the public circle method. It shows a this dot radius equals radius, which means that this radius, the radius which is indicated inside this method is a reference to itself and not to anything else, just to indicate that it itself is that radius. And as we continue to step over into on the same line 9, we see the geometric. We step to the geometric class, which displays the dating method, which dates the program for us, which saves us a lot of problems. So you just write the new.java.util.util.date, and then it gives us an accurate date of time, day, and year, and time zone. I'll go back. Okay, all we're gonna do now, we're gonna step into the circle, which is which calls the toString method from the circle class. Now the toString method, this returns to us the date created, the color of the circle, the Boolean function which displays whether if it's filled or not, and its radius. So basically the toString class is just an outline of how the program should look. Now as we further step into it, we see that the getDateCreated returns the date created. It is just a method to get the date, which we indicated earlier. Just gotta go back, guys. Just waiting for. Oh, come on. Okay. Now this one displays the color, which also grabs from the circle class and displays the color of the geometric object. The radius also grab is part of the get radius function from the circle class that you're going to see. It returns the radius, which is a simple mutator. So I'm going to step over into the area. Area, as we see now here, area is just another mutator that returns to us the radius times math pi. This is the pi object and which is the number pi, and the radius that we saw earlier from the get radius function. Sorry, the get radius method. The diameter, which just as the area grabs onto the radius, times it by 2 to give us a diameter. Give us a diameter inside our results. That ends the debugging of the program. Now we see that it's been terminated, it's done, it's finished, it's all with. I just want to go over again, show you how each, see the package here, the inheritance, to show you again how each class looks. As a set call has a set field. For the class and for the geometric. See, we have here the private string equals white equals color, which gave it a white, which means that it can't be changed because it's a private and it cannot be accessed by every other object or class. It has to be in a specific one. You see that this dot color method again, which displays it refers to itself or displays the hidden data fields. See the Boolean function for the field, which should either give us back a true or false answer. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to come here to the class tester, the circle tester class, which is our main class again. We're going to come here to run, and we have our results down here. How I mentioned before, a circle was created on the date of Thursday, February 20th, 2014. At that time, that specific time, the color is white, as we saw before. The Boolean function gave us a false indication that it was filled. The radius is 1. Now a step down here, the color is also white because the color is private, it doesn't change. The radius is 1. The radius was also private, and the area, which the function was the times, the multiplication function for it, and the diameter. Now guys, here that is the geometric object class for this program. If there's any additional information, feel free to contact me or just subscribe to my page. And if there's any question I can't answer for you, I can refer you to someone who knows a little more than me. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.